full exit past the line, make a full stop here, switch to ground, and let them know that I want to taxi to Pilot Studio.
Okay.
But he told me I'm here to continue taxiing on the frequency. Okay. And he told me that we're here to shut down on taxi. So we're gonna do that.
Alright.
Alright, we'll line up, and we're gonna do our after landing, which is flaps up, heartbeat is off, strobes off, landing light off, heat is off, mixture fired, trim for takeoff. That's all done. Now ELT, verify silent. How do we do that? Put the emergency frequency on. If it's not beeping, the ELT is off. Avionics off. Go ahead and get them. Mixture full lead. See that? Mags off. Pull the key out. Master off. Fuel off. Put it on off for me. And now lights off. All right, and then Hobbs and tack time. That's why I took the picture, and we're good to go. All right. Shutdown complete. Good?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Let's go ahead and get us parked.